What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another build stream. Today, I'm actually very excited because we're doing a very different case. So this is the Cougar OmnyX, and the way that this works is that the motherboard sits at the bottom and everything kind of points up. So this actually should end up being a very, very different looking build. So it's got lots of front I/O, and you can actually move this around, a lot of stuff like that. So by the time we're said and done, this should actually be a very, very different build. So I'm pretty excited about giving it a go and building this out. So this will be fun. Let's talk about the parts we're putting inside of it. We're going Intel, guys. Core Ultra 9 285K. Super easy to cool. Doesn't need a whole lot. It has all the power in all the right places. For 1440p and 4K gaming, it's gonna do you fine. For the motherboard, we're gonna use the G-Skill, sorry, not the G-Skill, the RG Strix Z890-F gaming Wi-Fi. The one thing that's nice about Strix is that you have all the Q-Latch stuff. There's usually just a little bit more wider range of memory support. For USB-C, that's crazy, dude. So much USB-C on this. For our cooling this bad boy, we've actually shown this before, but we're gonna use it again. This is the Cougar Poseidon Vistech Pro ARGB 360. It's got a very large screen, in terms of, so being able to read it and use it is pretty straightforward. It's got that unified fan, frame, which is actually really cool. So it makes installation really, really easy. In terms of RAM and storage, we're gonna use G-Skill Triton Z5. I think you guys are well aware from my little thing right there, which was pretty crazy. But all in all, there it is right there. It's 6400 mega transfer G-Skill. The other thing too is we're gonna use a 2 terabyte Kingston NV3 for gaming. All in all, most of them aren't even reaching Gen 4 speeds. Most files aren't large enough that you really need it. And then, for the DRAM standpoint, it's still gonna feel plenty snappy without the additional support. For the PSU, it's a little overkill. It's just honestly because I'm out of 850 watt RM850Es. I've got 5 builds that need to get taken apart. So I've used them all in there. So we're gonna use a 1000 watt RM1000E. That's fine. RTX 5080 right there. It's an FE. So it should be an absolutely, I'm like holding it because I'm a little nervous. This should be an absolutely beautiful build by the time we're all said and done. Such a beefy board. So here it is, guys. This is the Cougar OmnyX case. This is gonna be interesting. I'm excited in this. This is going to be a very different build. And this comes out, so this allows us to switch. You can actually switch this to side, see, like that. So you'd be like, oh, I want the I/O on this side, or I want the I/O on this side, or I want the I/O on this side. So you can choose. Oh, yeah, that just, wow, dude. Oh, dude, that is so much lighter. Dude, look at that. Okay, the other thing too, kind of crazy, Brian, look at this. Look at this giant, it's got a giant fan and RGB hub, which is kind of cool. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, which is crazy, is the Mobo actually goes like this, guys. So it goes sideways like that. I'm gonna rotate it like this just for now to put the... Guys, we're getting crazy. We're getting crazy.
Is this the end of the build?
It's the end of the... Nope, not even close. We're gonna do it second. Oh, this might cause problems. This might cause problems, but we're gonna just go with it. So when you see the build will be sitting like that, which is pretty cool, right? Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? It'll be pretty different. Okay, so what I think I should do next, as weird as this sounds, is I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do the PSU, because that mounts right here into the back, and then we'll do the I/O. There we go. There we go. There we go, perfect. There we go, okay. There's that one. You go right here. Okay, so let's see what we got here. All of our cards. Dude, guys, we only have one more part to put in. Oh, I was able to do it with the GPU installed. Now, the interesting thing is that I need to, I guess I can just do it like this. We'll mount it upside down, but we'll have to rotate the screen. I don't think I would be able to get, I'm pretty sure. I'm just gonna check something. Oh, no, I can do it, okay. No, it works, okay. Okay, now we have, the whole front is done. And with that, connecting the last, that's the last cable, Brian. And cable managed. And there it is, guys, the build. That's the front. And there, look, check out the back. It came out clean. It's not Falcon Northwest clean, but pretty dang clean. There we go. Pop this in here. Boom. There it is, guys. That looks good. There we go, guys. Okay, let's put the front glass on and we'll do some thermals and chest airflow because this thing is gonna be weird for airflow for sure. There it is. Let's go to CPU ID, Cinebench, see how this is going. Let's look at it right now. Sitting at 36. Okay, here we go. 10 minutes. Temps at 76. 70, yeah, dude, it's not even gonna have a problem. And watch this, well, here goes the score. Bam! So we got a 40,941. So 3,000 more than we saw in the 9950X yesterday. So we're gonna get some air here. And it's gonna get blown right out of the back. Dude, you can see it just shooting out back here. We're running right now 82, 80, 82. So it's having no issue keeping 80, 82 there for temps. Okay, so here we go. So we'll do full screen, and then we'll do, we'll just benchmark. So it's starting to get warmer. I mean, right now, Furmark, it's 70. The hot spot is probably pretty warm, but I mean, all in all, like it's... Anyway, guys, that is it for tonight. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of your Wednesday, and we'll see you tomorrow for some gaming. Bye, guys, and a huge thank you to Cougar, Falcon, and Corsair. Bye, guys.